Hi, Jay with PumpTechs here. Just want to kind of do a brief overview of the RubyCI point of sale. This one was launched, I believe, last year, and it's an all-in-one unit. It can replace a Ruby Sapphire, Topaz Sapphire, or any point of sale for that matter. It's just do a component overview and what is included with the system when you order it and what is optional. So you get the console, which is basically a Ruby 2, which has a 15-inch touchscreen, infrared touchscreen. You also get the CI portion right here, which is separate. You can actually separate it from the Ruby 2 console. And this is actually what controls the gas pumps or dispensers, interfaces to the credit card network, tank monitor, etc. While this portion up here is the actual point of sale. You get an optional pin pad, or a pin pad is optional. This is an MX915 touchscreen. It also has the EMV reader at the front right here, so you can insert your card with the chip on it. Optional is a locking EMS pin pad stand. Another option is a scanner. The ones that we sell are the symbol. This is, I believe, this is a DS9208. The console is going to come with a customer display. You get two different size extensions. This one's the longer one. There's also a short one that's around about 5 inches tall. Let's see. Printer. Again, this is optional. You may be able to reuse a printer that you already have on location. That is, if you have a Sapphire already, more likely you're going to have one of these printers, and we could actually reuse that printer. Comes with a Cyber zone router. This obviously connects everything together and will also interface to the credit card network, to the pin pad, any additional terminals you may have, and also this gives VeriFone access to the system to do software patches and remote downloads, so they can actually upgrade the system going through the internet through this router and then connecting to the RubyCI portion and do a software update. You get a cash drawer with one till and 2 keys. Also, what's also an additional option, and again we can reuse these if we need to, if you already have a good UPS, but if you don't, this is just mandatory. You need a UPS, a good quality UPS. 4-core interface box. This can be ordered either for Wayne dispensers or Gilbarco dispensers. If you have Bennett dispensers, we actually use a different box for that. I believe it's the 515 box. I'm not sure if we actually use the 4-core interface box if you have Bennett's, but this is all the communication wires for the dispensers come in and they terminate to these two boards. There's a board for field communications and a board for card reader communications. This one has the 485 board, which is exclusive for Wayne and Tokhiem dispensers. If it was Gilbarco, then you would have 2 of these boards. The RubyCI can control up to 16 filling points or 8 dispensers. It can also interface to 2 additional consoles, and they could be Topazes or Ruby 2s. Just kind of moving to the back, you get this cover right here that will make it more aesthetically pleasing so your customers don't see all the cables hanging out the back. But I won't go over every port and what they do, but you basically have ports on the RubyCI that, again, they interface to dispensers, credit card network, tank monitor, money order machine, whatever peripheral you have. That's the bottom, and at the top is your RubyCI or Ruby 2 console ports that interfaces to the scanner, customer display, cash drawer, any peripheral that's cash register related. Okay. Now this particular console comes with one power supply, very similar to a Topaz power supply, but it has a splitter right here, and on the splitter you got one cable that goes to the RubyCI and one cable that goes to the Ruby 2. Let's see what's also included. Documentation. You get installation manual, hardware installation guide with it. The store operator or owner is not going to be the one that's installing this, but this is more of a reference for technician. You do get a software license agreement, the printer user manual, 4-core interface installation manual, and on the UPS you get a kit to connect it to a computer, but we don't ever use that. That's just for if you're going to have a personal computer attached to the UPS. So in a nutshell, that's the RubyCI point of sale system, and it's pretty solid and it's fast. It's actually, I would say the transaction speed is as fast as if you had a Commander or Radiant system, as long as you obviously you're only going to be connecting to 16 fueling points. Thank you.